Hey guys, today I am going to attempt to do a domey, Petri, stringy, something, neat looking jellyfishy something or other. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. So I've got my Let's Resin, epoxy resin, just the OG, Let's Resin epoxy resin. I've got 40 mil here um, in my little cup. So it's up to about 35 C. It's cold here in Colorado. It's about 30 degrees outside, so it's cold in my room. So I was letting it sort of, degas a little bit and thicken up, a little bit just to try to mitigate the bubbles. So I'm going to put that here in my little half circle mold or dome mold. And let that, pardon my hand, I have to scrape at my cup. Just want to get all that out of there while I can with my very fancy and expensive bamboo scraping tool, my popsicle stick. So now that that's in there, I'm using my 91% isopropyl. Get that out and spray it for bubbles. I've decided I'm going to go for sort of browns and greens and maybe a blue or something to color things today, although it is Super Bowl Sunday, so, well, no. All right. Let's see here. So I'm going to go for my browns. So I've got Ranger alcohol inks in latte, caramel, and ginger. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to go for the lightest color in the middle. And if I can get the stinking bottle open and shake it up. And I'm going to put my latte in the middle. I'm going to put my caramel around the side-ish in the middle, and the ginger around the edges, and then go over it with a layer of white. Watch the alcohol ink dance. All right, sorry. Just gonna cover that up. Boop. And then go in with round two. Boop. And now I'm dropping things and getting alcohol ink all over me, but hey, who cares, right? Not me. All right, so latte, 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 latte. So 5 drops of latte. 6 or 7 of caramel because I'm going over a bigger space. And then ginger around the outside, around the outside. And then round 2 of my, gosh, that is just so cool to watch, isn't it? All right, so I've got that covered. I'm not going to swirl, I'm not going to stir, I'm not going to do anything except sit there and let it think about what it's done. And just watch that. Sorry, my sniffling. That is just so cool. Anyway, okay, so I'm going to let that set up, and we'll be back for demolding and see how it goes. Wish me luck. Okay, it's demolding time. Let's see how this guy little went. So this is the bottom. Let's see what happened. Oh, okay. Well, not much, but kind of cool. You can see the brown kind of stayed on the bottom and the white kind of went a bit milky around the sides, but you know, hey, for a first chance or a first try, not terrible. So we'll try it again eventually. All right, so that's it. Ta-da! There you go.